Welcome back, everybody. Today is the 24th of September. Yes. And we are at the new house. We're spying. It looks like they're not going to cut the grass very well here. That's fine. I'll just have to be on it. Get a lot of weeds. It's fine. We're going to go to the little town of Marion, Texas. And start. All right, so there we go. That's the house. October 1st. Eckhart Road. That's where we're turning. The second left. We're taking the second left, people, onto this road. You let me know if there's a second left, because I only know one left. There's no two roads. I have been riding. I just got off work. It's about 30 minutes from the old house to the new house, and I haven't ripped the nose off of this thing yet. These roads are so bad in Texas. So we're going to go nice and slow, and we're going to see if we can get to Marion before I end this vlog. I don't know. Look at this. Look at ay, ay, ay. Ugh. People, I don't get it. I don't get how these roads can be so bad. So where does everybody live? And I don't care if you're in the United States or not. Are your roads as bad as Texas? I've never been in a state in the United States where the roads have been this bad. Michigan has some pretty bad roads. Texas, I think you win. Like, legit, these roads aren't the worst. So maybe what I'm going to do is I'll get to Marion, and then we'll come back and I'll show you. So the address is Shirts, Marion, something else. I forget the other little name of the town. But Marion looks like it's going to be the closest little town to us. And this town is tiny. So let me get there, and then we'll figure out what we're going to talk about. I don't know. We're going to talk about Rikers. We're going to talk about Spyders. We're going to talk about how hot it is. How hot it is. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll see everybody down the road. Oh, yeah. Welcome back, everybody. Oh, music. Let me shut that off. This is it. This is the town. This is Marion. Now let's see if I can get out of this place. It's a very popular little city. You know, we're just going to do this. We're going to pull out like this, and we're going to pull out like this, and we're going to wave at that guy. So, I've heard of this meat place, and I need to check it out. It's this thing right here. Pinshorn. It's a little meat market. Yep. Checking that place out. What do we got? We got a hardware store. Slug bug. Got a coffee shop. I think that's it, people. Got a public library. City Hall. That's a cute City Hall. And a Subway. I don't even think it's not even open. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe they're gonna put a Subway over there. That's it. AT&T. There's a school. Hi, band people. Slug bug. There's another one. I'm up to like 4. So my wife started the slug bug game. She's like, slug bug, and hit me. Well, that's not the smartest thing to do. It sounds weird to me to say it that way, but I pay attention to cars and I'm dominating. She'll get me every once in a while, but yeah, I'm winning. Go me. All right, let's sit down and now let's figure out how to get home, because I don't know where I'm at. Google Maps. No, we'll do Waze. You guys use Waze or Google? Home. And go. We're going to take I-10. I don't want to take I-10. Can we take another road besides I-10? So, I got to figure out how to keep it. I need to figure out how to speak English. No, how to keep my phone from overheating. So everybody that lives in these hot states and countries, how do you keep your phone from overheating? And then question 2, do you pair your phone to your Spyder and then your Spyder to your helmet? Because I'm having a hard time pairing the Spyder to the helmet. No problem pairing the phone to the Spyder, but I want the music and everything in my helmet, not here. So if you know how to pair the helmet to the Spyder, let me know. If you know how to keep your phone from overheating, because mine's out here in the sun, overheats. Need some help. And I've done good. Oh, this is gonna be a big bump. Goodbye. I've done good. I haven't drugged the nose yet. That being said, I'll probably wipe it clean off of this thing. It just sits too low for these roads. Like, these roads are bad. Stagecoach Road. That's a cool road. It's probably just flat. Yeah, it's just flat. But now I'll be riding up in this area, figuring out if there's any good roads. 16 is a awesome road. It's about an hour from the old house, so I don't know what it would be from the new house. Probably about the same. But that's so far my favorite road. And once the temperatures drop a little bit, I'm gonna head back out to the Twisted Sisters, the Three Sisters, the Sisters. I don't even really remember what they're called. It's not an easy name like the Dragon. You can't mess that up. But yeah, I can't wait to do that again. I'm gonna slow down a little bit and I don't know, see if it's any better than what I thought. I really don't want to take the highway. The highway's gonna suck. Just get on the highway and pound down 10. I don't want to do that. Let's see if we can get lost and it finally tell us a new way to go. This road just went to straight crap. Why Texas? That's gonna be me just complaining about the roads here in Texas. They're bad. They are so bad. I'm not getting on 10. I don't want to get on 10. But I do need to go left at some point in time. So, we've talked about... Hey, I know I'm not doing 10. I really don't want to do 10. I'll probably turn right. It's yelling at me like... Yeah, let's just do 10. I don't want to do 10, but we'll do 10. So we've talked about the new Spyder. Oh, we got a frontage road. Maybe I can just stay on the frontage road and not get on 10. See what I'm saying? Holy crap. I cannot stand these roads. It's ridiculous. The amount of damage I have to be doing to this thing. Get off the highway. But I'm telling you, that just it pushes me in a new direction of hatred for these roads. Like, I'm not even gonna say anything. I don't even want to look underneath the nose of this thing, how bad it is. I don't want to. Yeah. I know I'm in the wrong lane. Oh. Oh, this is seriously, this is how the roads are. You want to see where I'm going? Check this out. Okay, look at this huge drop off. Okay, now once we get on this access road, okay, that's 10. We were just on 10 going the opposite direction. Yes. Yes, that's how they do things. It's the most asinine, to me, it's the most asinine way to do highways. But yeah, they have all these frontage roads, so if you need to go the opposite direction, you have to go out of your way a mile or two, and then you flip around and you come back where you're supposed to go. And I'm coming from a very small town, 43,000, 36,000 people in southern Ohio, so I get it, you know. But yeah, I just don't. We're not gonna make it. I'm not gonna push it. Yeah, I just don't get it. And the roads, oh, they're just beating this Spyder to pieces. So maybe I do need that big Spyder. We just ride behind this semi. We're gonna call this vlog just blown. I don't know. These roads, I just don't get. I don't get it. Texas is kind of a cool place to live, but they cannot. Oh, Santa Clara. That's the other name of the town that my new house is in, or our new house is in. I'm gonna have to see if that's a city. It has to be a little city. Maybe it's a little bit bigger than Marion, because Marion's tiny. But But let's talk Riker. We've talked about the new Can-Am Spyder. What does everybody think about the Riker? I've always been too big to fit on one comfortably. Like, my belly has been too big and it pushes me off the back of the seat. But now that I've lost 80 pounds, maybe I should go sit on one and see if I actually fit. Can you tour on one? You can tour on anything, right? I mean, it's just how comfortable is it going to be? You can hop on my little 230cc motorcycle and go across the country. You're not going to go very quick, but you can do it. So I don't know. All these questions and no answers. Please see me. Thank you for seeing me. Is that the brake company? For like Honda, for motorcycles? Yeah, so this is Texas. At least this road's not too bad. Now, once I get down a little further where I live, it's not the best. You'll see. As a ride, this one's not the best. I think I'm done. There's roads, man. They just put me in a bad mood. Every time I bang the nose, it's so hard. You know, it'd be one thing if it was just a little glance, but man, it is just so bad for this Spyder to hit that nose so hard. So I'm gonna let everybody go. Give me a big old thumbs up. I'm gonna actually keep the camera rolling just because that guy behind me. But give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.